$392. Back to another video. We're working on a Honda today. Installing a catch can. So as y'all can see, what's that say? Bull boost. This is just a catch can. So I had this catch can over here. I had this one, but it was too big and I had to relocate the battery. Speaking about the battery, I just had to fucking go through a lot of shit to fucking... First it was a fuel pump. Y'all saw that video. The fuel pump was messing up. Now the battery is messing up, the alternator is messing up, but it's good now. Everything runs. I put 2 new alternators in there, a new belt. So everything's good on it now. Had to mess with some of the wiring, but everything's good. Like I said, we're gonna be installing this oil catch can here. I have a lot of blowback. This filter right here and this one. Oh shit. Oh shit. Grab it. Like I said, I have a lot of blowback, so like I said, I got the oil catch right here. I'm going to measure. I got this line, but first I'm going to measure where I want to put stuff at. First I need to mount my oil catch can, so let's find a good spot to mount that. I was thinking right here, to be honest, like right there, and then it's bam right there. So what I'm going to do is probably drill some holes right here and then throw some rivets through there. So let me get some. So we're going to put it right here. Do it right here. Do it as high and tight, like the military says, high and tight. Yeah, I bought it from Seattle when I was stationed there. One of my buddies, he went to Hawaii and had nowhere to go, so I just grabbed it from him.
Is this the same Honda that was the house down?
No.
This shit was turboed. I heard him trying to fucking get it to run right the other night. It was like, woo!
Yeah, so that was me.
Was it?
Yeah. Last night I was working on it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep, that was me.
Hey, buddy. Okay, is that turbo?
Yeah, it's turbo. Yeah, it's actually out of a diesel Cummins. A Cummins, yeah. It's a Hall set turbo. Wanted to do it right there, or even right here, but I have nowhere to, like, nothing to go in there. So I think what I'm going to do and what I just messed up. So sorry y'all, I didn't want to have the video so long, but we are going to put this on here. I was just going to install this. That basically sits just like that. That goes in there. What's on? So now I can pour my oil in there, and then I can close my little room. There we go. And I could just do it, bam, right there. And what I'm going to do is take this out, push that all the way in. There we go. Like that. We're good. That's on there. So now hopefully it breathes a lot better. That's the issue I was running into. Obviously I had a lot of blow by. Hopefully everything's good. Catch can installed. Little catch can action. Hey, shout out my man Ray. He hooked me up with the oil catch and all that. I gotta find that bolt too. Appreciate y'all subscribing, commenting, watching. Vehicle's done. The vehicle is done. I got the battery fixed. I got everything fixed on it, so everything's good. Only thing I gotta fix is the gauge. Fucking AFR gauge is not working, so I gotta fix that. Got new injectors for it. Oil catch installed, so everything's good on it. Fixed the battery issue, new battery, new alternator, new belt. So we're good to go. Like I said, I appreciate y'all watching, subscribing, commenting, and we out.